so today we're going to be working on this star wand. So here's a video tutorial on how to use this in the hoop file. So we're going to start off with the colors, and the first thing is going to do the placement stitch. So I'm going to do black, then I'm going to do gold, and then this is another placement stitch for the circle part. That's going to be red. I'm going to do black, gold, and then it's going to do the final stitch, which is going to be red, and then everything's going to be gold, and then the final stitch is also going to be gold. Okay, let's go home, and here's our star wand. So I have the hoop in the machine and we're ready to start. Like I said, it's going to create first the placement stitch. Going to stop the machine, that way I can put the fabric on top. Okay, so we're gonna put the gold metallic fabric first, so make sure that it grabs everything. Okay, so we're gonna start the machine again, and now it's gonna stitch on top to hold the fabric in place. Now it's gonna do the second placement stitch. We're gonna put the red fabric, and I'm gonna quickly stop the machine again. We're gonna start the machine. I'm gonna stop it again, and this time I'm gonna cut all around. So now it's going to stitch the nice satin border around the red circle, and it's also gonna continue and create the little details on the rest of the wand as well. So let's start the machine. Okay, so I stopped the machine quickly before it starts the final stitch. When it finished the last circle, now we're gonna take it out so we could put the fabric under the hoop. Okay, so this is how the wand should be looking so far. So now we're going to flip the hoop to the back, and we're gonna grab our second fabric piece, and we're gonna place it like facing up, like the correct size, and grab our tape. Have the hoop back in the machine with the piece of fabric that's underneath, and we're going to do the final stitch that's going to grab both the top and bottom. Okay. This is how it looks like in the back. So let me remove quickly the tape. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is just cut it out, and then we can add the stick. I also went ahead and added a little bit of hot glue in the inside of the wand, that way the stick doesn't move, so I recommend that you do that. And yeah, we're pretty much done. The last step is optional. If you want to go the extra mile and decorate it, add some fun trim, go ahead. I think it looks super cute. I worked on this one earlier today. It's this fun spooky Halloween one. I added some white and black tulle and I thought it looked great, so you're welcome to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll link the file down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.